Where you go for race? Where you go?
I had to go get the tires, and it was not a joke walking 3 flights of stairs. But because I took off my passenger seat and I took off my back seats so I can just put them in there because I have a lot of space. Right here, as you can see, I have to say good morning to the neighbors. Alright, I just got to the tire shop and I'm gonna have my boys take care of me. These guys always do a good job. It's the only tire shop I use and I don't really have any complaints. They take care of me. They know me at this point because I change my tires or wheels like every other month. I'm gonna do like a time lapse of this whole thing because it's pretty boring. I mean, there's nothing out of the ordinary, but the guy does come to ask me a question. You'll see in a bit. Because everything is in the open, that's the bracket that you have to customize to run a 15x10 wheel.
Where you go for race? Where you go?
Alright, bro, I just wanted to know where I race, and I told him, obviously, we go to Mexico. I can't really disclose the location. And I didn't get a chance to do a poll until like right here where there was nobody around. Obviously, I let off. I couldn't go to 3rd gear, and I didn't redline it, but it hooks. And I'm gonna clean the tires, and they look so good. Perfect fitment. Everything is good. Ride's good. I love these Mickey Thompsons. And this is my first time running the ET Street SS, so I'll probably do like a review later on. But so far, so good.